Hello everyone. Let's learn about the plural rules. What is meant by plural? Plural means more than one. So the first rule is for most of the word we have to just add s to make them plural. Just like in words cats, pens, books, dogs, cars, bags. Next rule is whenever a word ends in s, double s, x, ch, sh, or z, we have to add es at the end. Just like in words, bus, buses, glass, glasses, box, boxes, bench, benches, brush, brushes, quiz, quizzes. Rule 3. Whenever a word ends in consonant and y, we have to change y to I and add es. Just like in word baby, ladies, lady, ladies, story, stories, family, families, party, parties, city, cities. Rule 4. When a word ends in y and before it one vowel is there, so we have to just add s. Toy, toys, key, keys, boy, boys, monkey, monkeys, donkey, donkeys, journey, journeys. Rule 5. Some of the words end in f or fe. We have to change f or fe to v and we have to add es. Leaf, leaves. Calf, calves. Shelf, shelves. Knife, knife. Five, lives. Life, lives. The next rule says that some words are irregular which do not follow any rule. Just like child, children, man, man, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, person, people. Rule 7. Some words do not change at all. Just like fish, fish, deer, deer, ship, ship, aircraft, aircraft, species, species, salmon, salmon. Rule number 8. Whenever a word ends in us or is, they change in a special way when we make them plural. Just like cactus to cacti, fungus, fungi, syllabus, syllabi, analysis, analysis, thesis, thesis, crisis, crisis. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more such videos.